Good morning everyone! Kamusta po ang lahat? For today, I gonna show all my plants inside in our small supa. Come join me, samahan niyo po ako. Here's our flag. Proud to be Pinoy. My asawa always proud to be Pinoy. Iikot ko po kayo sa aming maliit na sala. This is my favorite plants. Ang laki na niya guys, ang haba. I think she already 5 years old. Look guys, this one picture, that is the frame nung first time namin magkita ni asawa. Lahat ng mga memories niya when we are first meeting, inano niya, frame niya guys, ganun siya ka, na in love sa akin. Joke. That is my plants. Yan. I love plants. I am love my plants. Thank you so much to my Iday Irene. She's my kababayan, close to our family. He also na already our family. Ayan ang aking halaman. I propagate. This one is for my son kid long time ago when he is still practicum for the gardening. Here is the meow meow. I think that is Ricky. Ricky? Ayan ang koleksyon ng asawa ko, yung mga seeding niya. Ngayon hindi na siya bumibili, hindi na gaano. Ayan. One guy is there. That is Bingo. Ayan ang mga na-rescue kong halaman na orchids. 8 piraso siya guys. Sayang din. That is expensive here. I think pinakamababa 5 euro. On this also, I'm so in love that plants. That is also, look guys, significant events in the Philippine history. Diba? How my asawa, my husband very proud to be Filipino. Yung significant ng Philippines talagang ipinaprem niya pa. Philippine President, meron din siya. Ayan pala, ito pala yung significant events in the Philippines and the President. Diba? The last president is Gloria Macapagal. And the historical map of the Philippines. This one is our family picture. Wala si yung isa naming anak nasa Philippines. And this one also, I'm very in love because she already long. Ayan look guys how long she is. Oh my god. And here is my oregano. Na-over siya sa sun. Sobrang init nitong summer. But now it's become cold. Cold. The weather is become mag-aano na siya. Magtataglamig na. This is my favorite area. Look guys. May halong mga gulay kasi nilagay ko po yung chili na tuloy-tuloy siyang namumulaklak. Sayang, baka mamatay. I will see kung magsusurvive siya. And I have sweet potato, chili, and paprika. This paprika, our neighbor Madeline they give us. Only a little pa siya noon. Tingnan, lumaki na siya. And sweet potatoes. And that one is spinach. And this one also, that is dragon fruit. Guys, alam niyo po bang pinatubo ko siya mula sa seed niya? Yan yung naputol doon sa pinaka-mother niya. Tinanim ko. Aba, nagkaano naman, tumubo siya. Madali lang pala siyang itanim. This one, ito yung binigay ni asawa. Sobrang green na green, natutuwa ako. Ang laki na. He is still working in Danish, Plainsburg. Before, niregalo niya. On this one, I'm very in love with this plant also. Napakataas niya na. Pinutulang ko na, nagpropagate. Look guys. And that one, I make new. Sabi ko ililipat ko yan sa amin sa amin tulugan. And that. Diyan naglalaro ang aming mga junakis. They play. This one is Ricky favorite toys. And they have a new toys. Naku, napakarami. Tinatabi ko lang guys. Ayan. Their toys. Na? That is your toys? Bingo. Get the toys. Get your favorite toys. Huh? Look, who is that? My beautiful daughter. Talagang favorite niya yan, guys. Pag halimbawa, may kukuhanin siya dun sa halaman ko at medyo magagalit ako, pupunta siya dyan. Comforter niya. Yan ang nagko-comfort sa kanya pag mommy angry to her, na? That is thy favorite plants? Ricky? Say hi, Ricky. Hi. See, Ricky. Thank you for watching. Thank you for thank you for watching Mommy's vlog. Please thumbs up and subscribe. And comment below if Ricky is cute. Are you cute? Ricky? Say. If Ricky cute or the Bingo's cute? Cutest. Oh. Are you You're the one cute, no? Ricky? You're so beautiful. And her is Ricky's brother. Oh, you want to play, Bingo? No more foods. No candy inside the box. Siguro guys, naamoy niya. Naku, tataba kayo. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day. God bless. Stay safe and healthy. Bye-bye. Mwah.